Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Activation Lock protects your iPhone by linking it to your Apple ID. This feature started with iOS 7 and affects all compatible iPhones. When enabled, the device requires your Apple ID and password to reactivate after an erase. Find My iPhone must remain enabled to keep Activation Lock active. The lock prevents thieves from erasing and setting up the phone without credentials. It also displays your Apple ID email on the activation screen in many cases. Activation Lock works for iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch paired devices. To enable Activation Lock, open Settings and tap your Apple ID at the top. Tap Find My, then tap Find My iPhone and toggle it on. Verify your device runs the feature by checking iOS version and account details. To disable Activation Lock before selling, sign out of iCloud with your Apple ID password on the device. Alternatively, erase and remove the device from iCloud. By signing in, selecting the device, and choosing Remove from Account. Always erase and remove the device while you remain signed in to prevent future lock issues. If you cannot enter the Apple ID, first try iCloud. Using your credentials to remove the device. Sign in, choose Find iPhone, select the device, and click Remove from Account after erasing. If you lack the Apple ID, contact Apple Support and provide original proof of purchase to request removal. Support may ask for serial number, IMEI, and a clear purchase receipt showing the device details. Two-factor authentication will send a 6-digit verification code to trusted devices during some recovery steps. Keep receipts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.